Changing your phone number on ConCapital is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the ConCapital website and log into your account using your username and password. Make sure you have access to your account to proceed with the changes. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, locate the Profile or Account Settings section in your dashboard. This is where you can manage your personal information, including your phone number. Step 3. Select Phone Number Update. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter your new phone number. Input your new phone number in the designated field. Double check the number for accuracy to avoid any issues with communication. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new phone number, make sure to save the changes. You may receive a confirmation message or email indicating that your phone number has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily change your phone number on ConCapital. Always ensure your contact information is current to receive important updates and notifications.